This video is made for educational purpose. This video is made for kids, but no kids are mentioned in this video. This video is a mathematical video related to education. No copyright material is used in this video. Must like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Suraj Mishra and welcome back to my channel Suraj Mishra. So today I brought one more educational video for you which is related to math for class 5. So I'm going to explain you decimals, but I'm not going to explain you what is decimals and all. I'm going to tell you this of decimals, addition and subtraction of decimals. We're going to learn about addition and subtraction. And now, hello kids. Today we will be learning addition and subtraction of decimals. Both of these methods are really very simple and easy. Once you're clear about them, you'll be able to do them with ease. So let's begin with it. You know that decimals are related to or denominated in the system of numbers and arithmetic base in the number 10, tenths, and parts, and power of 10. Now let's begin. First, we will be learning the addition of decimals. I'm going to do. Addition of decimals is basically as simple as addition. When you will do now, it will look like that it is addition only because the difference between normal addition and addition of decimals is just that one dot has been there, one decimal point. This dot is known as decimal point. This dot is known as decimal point. Just this is added, nothing else is different in this. So now, in this, you can see there are certain questions in this. And we're going to, these questions are for practice. These questions are for practice. But I'll take one question from here and I will explain you this question. So have it. 4.2. For example, this is the question given to you. Plus 2.8. This you need to solve. So how you will solve it? In this, what you need to do, first you should know that how you can just do. First, you should know the arrangement of these things. So, how you need to put them in the arrangement of numbers for adding. How you need to make this sum for calculating. So, in this, you need to remember that always the greatest number should be put in at first. Like in simple addition, you can put just a simple addition method up. You can just select this also. Then no matter. But in this, you need to select this one. Put in descending order. So like this, 4.2, and then after that write 2.8. Like this, you need to write them. Put a plus and start calculating. Here first you need to arrange them in the descending order. In the descending order. And after that you need to calculate them. So for that you need to put them in descending order. Descending order means first big number and then second number, which is smaller than the bigger one. So this is bigger one, this is not the bigger one. So like this you need to write. As you do, as you write 4, 42, 28. Sorry, I don't know calculating very well. See like this, you can understand. So same thing here need to do, but just the difference is that the point is added, the decimal point is added, nothing else. So like this you need to do them, and after that when you have arranged in step 2, what you need to do, in step 2 you need to add them. How you will add them? Simply, as you add the addition, normal addition, you need to add them like that only. Like 2 plus 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So write 0. And here, अब यहाँ पे दिक्कत क्या आएगी? यहाँ पे decimal point अड़ा हुआ है. Here you can see it's decimal point. So how you will do it? You can carry over after the decimal point also. It's not that if there is decimal point in between, so how you will do it? You will not write here. Never ever do that. You can put चाहे decimal आ रहा हो या ना आ रहा हो, you can add the sorry, this is 0, but it's not looking like 0. Just a second. So like this you need to do, and if the decimal point is coming, then also you can. So you can write 0 and you can put 1, but don't remember this is our but don't forget to put a decimal. Just be in which the row the decimal is coming, there only the decimal should be placed. 5 so 4 plus 2 is 6 and 1 7. So your answer is, here you will write 7.0. So like this you can add. This was as simple as the normal thing. But दिक्कत कहाँ पे आएगी? दिक्कत वहाँ पे आएगी जब आपका नंबर ये है. When your number comes 2.8 plus 4.02. So you can see, first you need to count the decimal places. Here in the first digit it is 1 decimal place, and in the second digit there are 2 decimal places. So there is a change in both the decimal places. So how then you will calculate? Same, you need to write the bigger number first, and after that 2, write here 2, and instead of writing here, then now you will do it. So you need to write, ऐसा नहीं है यहाँ पे you need to place a 0, no. जिस क्रम में in this case you need to remember कि जिस क्रम में ये है, जिस क्रम में भी ये है, तो जैसे 2.8 है तो you need to write 2.8 only. You will not place a 0, यहाँ पे 0 नहीं हटा देना है उनके बीच में, नहीं. यहाँ पे आप you need to write 8 and after that place a 0. इसी क्रम में आना चाहिए. ये तो उसी क्रम में आ ही रहा है, but this also should come in the in its order only. You no need to do it. Even if this space is left, so if you will write like this 4.02 plus 2.8 and you start calculating, so it will look awkward, right? So for that's why only you need to place a 0 here and then you need to add it. 2 plus 0 is 2. 0 plus 8 is 8 and place 0 here. Then 4 plus 8 is 6. So 6.82 is your answer. In such cases, just you need to remember that जिस भी क्रम में आपका जो number आ रहा है, in whichever order the number is coming, you need to write it in that क्रम only. You don't need to in that order only. You don't need to place a 0 here. उनके बीच में बिल्कुल भी नहीं हटाना है. Otherwise your answer will become wrong. It will come 6.08 or 02, whatever will come. But that should not be there. First you need to write in the same order and after that you need to place a 0 after that. And like this. Now after learning both of these methods, you can solve all of these sums for practice. So I will erase the eraser here. And now take a look, take a screenshot. And you can solve them. Now in this edition we have learned that how you can, here we have learned that in both the cases, when the places are same, just you need to place a point, and in whichever case is coming you need to solve it like your simple addition. But and when the places are different, as many as places are left, you can do them in that direction only. Now when the problem will occur in the third case, what you need to do in the third case, like okay, so like this you can solve them. It's super easy. And questions you can see here, they are given you in the same places. They are in the same places. I will here there are the questions for now here they were the questions I told you for first case. But here there are the questions for the second case when the places are different. You can see the places are different in each question, right? So you need to solve them like that. जैसे यहाँ पे for example, have a look at this question only where the cursor is running. Here you can see. So this place is left. Here it was 0.195 plus 0.12, right? So here they were saying that you need to add them. Here the places are different, right? So here what you need to do, here you need to, यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए that you are placing 0 before 1 and 2. No. Here you need to place it after 1, 2. Here also they are doing the same thing. First you need to write them in the same order as they are saying it, then whichever places are left, there you can just do whatever they want, as many as places are left. Like here for example, have a look. Here at this one, there are 2 places left, right? So you can place here zeros, and it's not important ki you are just so 2 zeros are placed. Right? This you need to do. And in the cases like 0 is there, so here also don't think what you need to do. अपनी मर्जी से आपको कुछ भी नहीं लिखना है. Here also again, these are the questions. Now like these 2 cases can come, and in both the cases you can do whatever you want. Here you can just write them. So like this you need to do. Addition of decimals, I hope is clear, and you are clear with the addition. It's very simple. So would you think that this addition was as same as the simple addition? Here also you can take one screenshot. Just a second. Here. Now take it. Now let's learn subtraction of decimals. It is also very simple. Here like you did the addition, so as same as you need to do in the subtraction also. I've given you some questions for solving. Here also the rules are absolutely same as addition. Wherever the places are left, you need to place a 0 there. Like here it is left. Here also first write the question in that order, and after that place a 0 to the leftover places like this. And here also, if the here it is left, you can see 0. Here there are 24 questions, so I have made this worksheet only. So how you can solve? Like for example, the question is given 4.2. Sorry, it is actually very big. Just a second. 4.2, and after that you need to write 4.2 minus 2.8 or 2.8 or 7, okay? 2.7. So here, this is your question you need to solve. So this is the order I told how you can write. You need to write, they will give you a question like this, 4.2 minus 2.7. So here, in this order you need to write them. And subtraction में तो normal subtraction में भी same is happens only. You need to write them in the descending order only. It is the must rule. So here also you need to do the same. Take a carryover since you can't subtract. See, here also you need to do the same. Just ये 0 ये points आ रहे हैं. Otherwise in points से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. Nothing is happening with these points. You can just put a point here. You can just place a point here just to look so that it look like a decimal. Nothing else. Here you need to do as same as subtraction as you do in the normal sums. 2. Take a carryover from here, take a borrow from here. Then it will become a 12. Then after that, 12 minus 6 is your 6. So it means 7 is left. So you can do 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, 5 is left. 5 is left. And here you can see it became 3. Now it's not at all 4. So 3, 1, 1. So your answer, your difference is 1.5. As simple as that. Here you no need to do anything. Here just you need to do the as same as subtraction as you do in the simple sums. Just this decimal point is coming just to make the decimal so that it look like a decimal. But the method, the process is as same as that. Here you can place the decimals while and you can take carry over also in addition case. You can take borrow also from subtraction case. Anything you can do, you need to do in the subtraction formula, and the rules of addition and subtraction are also same. Just you need to remember that there is one more unique rule in subtraction and addition, that you first you need to write in a descending order, and after that you need to place zeros wherever the thing is coming, wherever the place is left. Like for example, the question is 3.002 minus 2.8. Then what you need to do? You need to write them. This is bigger, 002 minus 2.8. You need to write it. This here the rule is applicable, that here you need to, now these places first आपको इसको order में ही लिख लीजिए. Here you need to write in the order only as same as that, and after that you need to, these two places are left, so for easy so that there is no confusion, so you can add 2 zeros in the leftover space. Then solve it. 2 minus 0, 2, 0, and here you can take borrow from here. Take borrow from here. Even if the decimal is point is coming here, you can take 2, and 10 is there, 10. Then 2, you can write 2, 2 is left. After that 2 is left, and 2 minus 2 is 0. So your answer is 0.202 is your difference. This is your answer. As same as that. So the rule, there is only one rule in both of them, that you need to place the leftover zeros. First you need to write them in the correct order, and after that in the leftover spaces fill the zero, and start doing it as simple as that. You need to follow the same method while adding and subtracting when you are finished with arranging them in correct order. Okay, so there are two rules I told. First is the 0 rule, and after that second one is you need to write them in the descending order in both addition and subtraction. Nothing else but the method. When you will calculate, the same method is there. So these are the practice sums for subtraction. You can take the screenshot. Then after that, when you took screenshot, you can. Thanks for settling for watching my video. Meet in the next video. Till then, bye and take care. And must like, share, and subscribe, and comment anything on the video. And must keep watching all the videos, and forward these videos to others also, so that they are able to understand the concept. Thank you everyone. Just